my YouTube channel. So this series is specific for this fresher, and if you want to upskill in SQL as one of your skill set, okay, and if you want to prepare for a fresher level SQL interview questions, then I think it will help you. So what I'm going to use a data set from the LeetCode questionnaires, which have almost 50 SQL questions available, which range from the intermediate, easy, and then some hard level of advanced level of questions as well. Okay, for being a fresher, uh, how you can practice it. Okay, since I'm an, why I'm referring it. I hope you have learned database in your curriculum, but what you needs to be sharpen your skill to go with the actual questionnaires which are present. Okay, so one can use this LeetCode questionnaires from the leetcode.com. It's very easy. So simply go and sign up with your email ID, and yes, go click on a problem statement, go with the SQL 50. Okay, here you will see that there are a lot of problem statement, okay, which ranges across the easy, medium, okay, and then start solving this problem. So today, being a fresher, for the fresher specifically, I'm going to demonstrate how we can solve the problem. Okay, so you can refer this video. In the meantime, parallel time, you also can test it at your end. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. Okay, so what it says, okay, dynamic layout, let's go with dynamic layout. So okay, it's giving me the how I can navigate to the panels. Okay, so once I have done, we click here, done, it's done. Okay, now what is the problem statement? So here in the left panel you will see the problem statement with the queries and the table structure, and then there is a problem statement written over here. Okay, what are the input and then output. Okay, and here you can write the questions, sorry, the solution for this problem statement, and run the code. When the code is run, then you can submit it. Okay, so let's start. So if I have here, so what is it showing? It's showing me recyclable low fat products. Okay, so the table structure is shows the products table. Okay, it has a column, let's product ID, low fat, recyclable, and there is a data type for this. And also if you have a database, Postgres is installed at your machine, you can use SQL schema. So here there is a ready-made create statement and insert statement you will have. You can just copy it and just paste it around the database, which whatever you're using, maybe MySQL or Postgres, which are free in the market. Okay, for the practice purpose, or else you can use the same website also. So let me close these and we can start the problem. Okay, what is the problem it's showing? Write a solution to find the IDs of the product that are both low fats and recyclable. Okay, so we need to find the products that which are having with the low fats and which are recyclable. Okay, so this is my table products. Okay, these are the values present. So 1 0 1 2 3 4. Low fats yes, recyclable no. One is low fats yes, recyclable yes, then low fats no, recyclable yes. Then we have low fats and recyclable yes. And 4 is none. Okay, so ideally by looking into the query we can easily say the product ID 1 and product ID 3 are the kind of are with the low fats and recyclable. And what is expected output? Output is saying the product ID we need to use. Okay, so we have to use this statement here, like select product ID from products. Okay, where low underscore fats equal to single quote y, and we need a recyclable as well. So recyclable equals to yes. Okay, well, try to run the statement. Account is verified. Yes, so I need to if I run the code, if I see, yes, so the answer is accepted. Okay, the output is expected what we have seen here, and then submit the code. Okay, so this is the first questions we are able to solve. Okay, then next, so let's go to the next questionnaires. Okay, let's go to find the customer referee. Okay, let's start with this problem. Okay, so let's start. So this is a customer table having these three column: ID, name and reference ID. Okay, and what is the problem statement? Find the name of the customer that are not referred by the customer with ID number 2. Okay, then return the table in the query in any order. Okay, so this is my customer table. Okay, so if you see ID will null, 2 Jane null, 3 Alex 2, it's referred by the Jane, 4 Bill null, 5 Zach is referred by again Will, 6 Mark is referred by 2 again a Jane. Okay, but what we need the output should be Will, Jane, Bill and back. So we need to find out the IDs which are not referred by the ID 2. Okay, so how do we write the solution? It's very simple. So I need to find the name of the customer. So let's say name from a table name is customer table. Okay, where my referee ID not equal to, how do I write not equal to, this exclamation equal to 2, or reference ID. So let me check if it is accepted. Let's see where in the query. So if you see my wrong answer, why? Because I'm not able to get the desired output because I'm passing only not as a 2. So if I say not 2, it means only Zach will be reported. However, I want to find out the other reference ID which are having null also. So if I'll give or, again reference ID is null. Okay, now if I run the query, see it's accepted. So this is my input, this is my output which is expected and is matching to my order. Okay, so I'll submit the code. Yes, so my question number 2 is also solved. Okay, okay, we'll see later, no problem. Then let's go to the next question. So my 2 questions are solved. Okay, let's go to big countries. Okay, big countries problem. So okay, so let's type okay, let's understand. So we have a table called world. Okay, and the column of this table is name, continent, area, population, and this is GDP. Okay, so so what it asking, write a solution to find the name, population, area of the big countries. Okay, now they have defined some conditions like if the area at least 3 million square meter, okay, kilometer square, okay, or population of at least 25 million, then it's a big city. Okay, so we know we have to identify the big city from this table. However, there will be 2 condition: either the area should be at least 3 million square kilometer per square meter. Okay, and the second condition is, or I'm sorry, or the population should be at least 5 million and above, 25 million and above. So how do I write the solution? Select so let's see the output, what is expected: name, population, and area. Okay, so name, population, and then area. From area from where? World table. Okay, where, what is my first condition? Area should be greater than how much? 3 million. So how do I write 3 million? 1 2 3 1 2 3, it's a 3 million. Okay, so for area I have an integer, so I don't need to pass the single or double quote. So so we have passing the area as a 23 million, and then we need to pass the area and population. What my output looks like? Okay, we need to pass the area and population. Okay, so population is greater than 25 million. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, and if I give, let's say, greater than or equal to, okay, and now let's try to run. How does it take? So the output is accepted. Now we have the result. This is the output. Afghanistan and Algeria are the two countries which are having the population about 25 million, and the area is 3 million square and above. Okay, so it's matching to our expected output. That's why it's in expected. Okay, it is true. So I'll submit this. So likewise, you can, so every day I'm going to post at least three answers for the questions that we have on the LeetCode questions. Okay, so yeah, you can, in the parallel you also can start learning and start preparing yourself for this SQL questions. Okay, thank you.